Hey, what's up, geeks? Happy Corona season. This is your instructor, Darron Brown, and I am the instructor of GeekMODE, School of React Native. And in this video, we're going to tackle the diagonal difference algorithm. So I'm going to cut to the chase. Basically, what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to count each number diagonally. So right here we have 6, then 6 plus 9 is 15. And then we have 9 plus 5, which equals 14, plus 3 is 17. So this is 15, 17. The difference between the two is 2. That's all we're going to go ahead and do. As you can see, we're giving an array of arrays, and within our array we have, within our array of arrays, our first index is this number, this is our second index, our third index. Simple enough. I want you guys to scroll down. As you can see, I've already done it. It's working, but I'm not going to look at that. I want you guys to copy the function and then paste it into your IDE or text editor. So let's get into it. We're going to create a variable. It's going to be a constant, or the variable's name is going to be array length. We're going to set it equal to array dot length minus 1. Let set 1 equal 0, and let set 2 equal 0. For let index equal 0, as long as our index is less than the array dot length, we're going to increment our index. So we're going to set 1, and this is going to be equal to set 1 plus, well, set 1 is going to be equal to set 1. Make sure I put that in there. Set 1 plus the array index of its index. So we're going to get the index. Hey, what's up, guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. So the first array, we're going to loop through its values, and we're going to do the same thing. The index of the next array, loop through its values, and so forth. And then set 2, we're going to set this equal to, go ahead, copy this. And the only difference is we're going to take the array length minus 1. Next, we're going to return math.absolute value, set 1, minus set 2. All right, so we'll go ahead and just console log our value. We already know it's right. I mean, you guys saw on HackerRank's website, but I want you guys to see it anyways. As you can see, we're getting back 15. So we know that 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. 11 plus 15, excuse me, 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 minus 12 is 4. So the difference between 4 and 19 is 15. All right. So I want you guys to go ahead, copy what we have here, paste it into HackerRank's website. I'm going to run the code, and it better pass. I hope I didn't get any mistakes. Let's run it one more time, submit the code, and ta-da, we passed all its tests. All right, geeks, that's it for this video. If there's anything else you guys want me to touch base on or want me to feature on the show and tackle algorithm, you know, I'm okay at doing algorithms. I'm not the best at doing algorithms, but I practice routinely. And for you guys who are all-stars at algorithms, you know, I would love for you to come on the show. You know, we can think through some more complex algorithms, because the ones we've been doing so far have been easy. And believe me, these easy ones aren't necessarily easy. But I would like to tackle some of the lot harder ones. You know, so anyways, I'll touch base with you guys later. Peace.